Hello, Stadium Drive students and parents. I wanted to take a little bit of time today to talk about some of the great online resources we have here at Stadium Drive. The first thing that I want to talk to you today about is our Stadium Drive ebook library. To get to the ebook library, you start from the Stadium Drive homepage and hover over Student Life. The second option down is Destiny Discover. This is our ebook library. Once Destiny Discover loads, it will look like this on the home screen. The first thing that you want to do is log in. Click on the top right-hand corner, log in. Everyone has a unique username and password. The username for every student is their first initial, last name, and then the last 2 digits of your grad year. If I were in 3rd grade, because you are scheduled to graduate in the year 2030, I would be D. Dabrowski 30. If I were a 4th grader, you are scheduled to graduate in 2029, so I would be D. Dabrowski 29, and 5th grade would be D. Dabrowski 28. Everyone's password is just your 5-digit student number. If you are unsure of your 5-digit student number, it is in your Office 365 password. It is the 5 digits that are between your initials and your hashtag grad year. Once you log in, it will take you back to the home screen, and it should say your name here and welcome you to the Stadium Drive library. Destiny Discover is set up to show you all of the electronic resources that the Stadium Drive library has. You can search by categories up here. You can go to the search bar up here and type in your topic, or you can simply scroll down and look through the different books. The Lightbox books are highly interactive books with video, Google Maps, and other things embedded right into the book. The ebooks are all electronic copies of different books. And then there's audiobooks, and then there are also interactive books that include all of the Lightbox books and also many great titles from Capstone. Taking a look at the Lightbox books, if I click here to see all, it will give me a whole running tally of all of the books that are in here. They range from science topics all the way through social studies topics revolving around history, and there's also some ELA things, ecosystems, so all sorts of high interest reading for the students. I'm going to click on this one, Floods. You'll notice that this has an infinity symbol. Any book with an infinity symbol means that there are unlimited copies for the library. That means that everyone in the school can have a copy of this book all at the same time. So I'm going to click Open. You'll notice that the book opens in a new tab. So if I want to get back to Destiny Discover, I can click on this tab, or I am in my Lightbox tab. I'll click Open. Every book opens to a table of contents, and then you'll see that you can go through each page by clicking the right here, or you can just click on the pages you want. If you hover over these little icons down here, it will tell you what pages have these activities. So page 14 and 15 have Google Maps on it. Pages 8, 9, 4, and 5, and 18 and 19 all have videos on it. I'm going to take a look at pages 8 and 9. When pages 8 and 9 load, you'll see that they have the icons here. You can listen to the story.
Floods can sometimes be controlled. Monitoring areas where floods can happen is important.
You can also click here to play the videos. The videos will open in full
Floods
screen.
can form after heavy rain over a long period or when a large
To get out of the full screen mode, you just have to press the escape key or the ESC key in your top left-hand corner, and then you can close out of the video. So this is a quick overview of our Lightbox series books. The next series of books are all of the ebooks. The library just spent a large sum of money adding a ton of high-interest graphic novels to the ebook library. So you'll find a ton of graphic novels from Dogman. There's some on history topics like the Boston Tea Party, a different Minecraft series, Babysitter's Club, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Big Nate, Avatar, and pretty much everything in between can be found in our ebook library. There's also a lot of great books, some different books by Kwame Alexander, Gordon Corman, and other great authors for the students. The interactive ebooks is a combination of, again, all of your different Lightbox books, but then it also has many different books from the Capstone series, right here, Voices of the Civil Rights Movement, that are also interactive books, very much similar to how the Lightbox books are. Again, all ranging from topics in history to science. So you can see light, water, food chains. There's also a lot of great biographies in here that you might come across too, that are some great authors that the students all like within the library. Within Destiny Discover, I've also started to build what we call collections. If you go over to the three lines in the top left-hand corner, you can scroll down here to collections. In the collections portion, there are a bunch of different collections here of all of the different books grouped together. So if you were looking for all of the ebook resources on Minecraft, you could click here and we would see all of the Minecraft books. If I were looking for graphic novels similar to Big Nate and Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Dogman, I could click here and it has all of those graphic novels that are in the ebook format all grouped together. If I'm really into Babysitter's Club, I can click here, and then all of the Babysitter's Club and other books similar to that genre are all in here. So this might be another way for students to look for books that they like. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the Stadium Drive ebook library. I look forward to students going through the library and checking out different books. I hope that it's been informative, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me and I'll make sure that I respond. Happy reading, everybody.